What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna start a new series. We're gonna talk about how to sell options, how I find options to sell, posted on my TikTok, posted on my Patreon, and so on and so forth. I'm using this software, Market Chameleon. Yes, I'm a paid subscriber. There's a link below, but let me talk about it. Let me give you two trade examples, go over the software a little bit. This is gonna be a weekly thing every Friday. Gonna give you one or two trades for the next week or two, so you can grow your small account if you have Robin. This software, Market Chameleon, has, I would say, like millions upon millions of options. And what you get an edge. You become, it doesn't matter if you are selling options for income and passive income, or you're a buyer. They give you an edge, meaning, for example, we go over a trade, a couple of trades, meaning, for example, let's say Apple is right now at 122. We see right now 122.4, and they tell you, you know what, Apple 125 calls for next month. You can buy for $1, just for the example, but theoretically, according to the last 6 years historical data that they collected, all done in the software, you should pay $2, but you're paying $1. And they find you those trades. Doesn't matter if it's Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Disney, QQQ, whatever the case, SPY, and millions upon millions of other options. Let's see, for example, this is the home page. Over the home page, we got some trade ideas so you can understand the software. You can even start completely understand. There's so many options, dividend stuff, but let's focus on the home page. Let me show you one trade. So Apple closed today at 122.4, down 0.7%. This is the home page, active trades. We got active trade, season bullish, bullish opportunities, bearish opportunities, and custom, like whatever stocks that you like. Let's start with the active. That's the most liquid volume trades of the day. Apple is the first one. Of course, you got Tesla, SPY, Disney, because they went like 15% up today, which was crazy. QQQ, Russell, and a couple of others, including NEO and some ETF. You are looking for this, Apple 122.4. Here are you got the strategy. That's number one, strategy. I like to use the first two. First one is top free by edge, and I'll show you what does it mean. And the second one that I like to use is top free by win rate. And I like to pick when I do take a trade, either for myself or for Patreon members, also link in the description below. I like to pick between one or two, top free by edge, top free by win rate. So let's take, for example, Apple at 122.4, okay? And we got top free by edge. This is where we are now, top free by edge. And we got ourselves three options. Long call, number one. If you look here, December 31st, 124 call. It says buy call 124. Radically, it says that you're gonna pay $284 for one contract. But, and here's the edge, guys. That's where the software comes into like fruition, as they say. You pay $284, but theoretically the price of call 124 for December 31st historically is 413 bucks. So you're paying about 284 instead of 413. That's like 140 bucks discount, which is not bad. And thus it says the edge is 45% and your win ratio is 53%. Would I take this trade? I don't know. That's up to something to consider, guys. When it says an edge, it means an edge on the price of the option. It doesn't mean, I repeat, it does not mean that Apple will go above 124. But if Apple will continue in an upward momentum and going up, then technically the 124 should be valued today at 413 instead of 284. So that's your edge. You can buy one call 284, and if implied volatility goes a little up in the next couple of days, you just sell it for 413. Or you can wait for Apple to go to 130 by the end of the month. That's one option for top free by edge. If you are I prefer to sell, and this is what I like to show you guys. Bull put spread. Look at this one. Bull put spread for next week. This is the one that I want to show you. Expiration December 18. here's the trade. Sell put 122.5 and buy put 120. So you're risking not 250, you're risking 250 total, but you're getting an income of 94 bucks. Meaning, instead of let's say 1, let's round it up, put a limit order in Robinhood on Monday for 1. So let's say you got it for 1, meaning that you get an income of $100 right now into your Robinhood account, 100 bucks, instead of this one, instead of 72 bucks. That's what you should, theoretically, this option should be worth. It should be worth, you only should collect 72, but you are in reality collect 94. And I would put a limit to 1 to collect 100 bucks. And that's your 14% edge, 14.1. You got a 70% win rate. When do you win? Let's see. Apple is at 122.4. Your maximum win, which is this one, 94 bucks, is if Apple at 122.5, which is 9 cents from here by next week, by December 11. As long as Apple move, I don't know, 0.1% or something by next week, and this option will expire worthless. Of course, you can close if you made 10, 30, 50%, whatever the case, it's all up to your risk tolerance. But as long as Apple goes above 122.5, you collect the entire premium, let that option expire worthless if you want, and your maximum loss would be 150 bucks, okay? Your maximum win will be 100 bucks, and if Apple is over 122.5, and your maximum loss is if Apple below 120 by next week, which is like 2.5% from here, you're losing 150. So you're risking 150 to make 100 bucks instead of 70 bucks. That's the beauty of this edge, and that's why I love Market Chameleon. But the risk, again, you don't control the market. If Apple goes below 120, you're gonna lose. It doesn't matter what software we're gonna use. But if Apple stay neutral and goes, what, 0.1%, that's it. You made your money, it's gonna be $1. Close the trade, take the money, and move on to the next trade. That's what I like to see. The other one on this top 3 by edge is a debit spread. I don't like to do debit spread. I like credit because I like to see the money in my account the second that it lands on my account, so I can actually use that to do another trade like 2 minutes after I take one trade. Something to think about. You collect 100 bucks up front, and then your Robinhood account has 100 bucks extra to take another trade, maybe buy, I don't know, long and just or put whatever, just top 3 by edge, which I love to use. Let me show you top 3 by win rate. Change a little to spice things up. We are now in Tesla at around 610, down almost 2.7% today, and I'm in here. Top 3 strategies by win rate. You got insane amount over here: long call, long put, iron condor, iron butterfly, spreads, whatever that you want, straddle. I like to use either top 3 by edge or top 3 by win rate. Let's see the win rate, top 3 option trades by win rate for Tesla. Let's see what we got. So we got one. I like to focus on this one for next week, December 18, December 18, which is next week. And we can go even a little crazier for December 24, which is 2 weeks from now. Let's go over step by step. Let's start with the December 18. Those are basically the same, 575, 570, but that's a debit. I don't like debit. Again, I like credit, so we're gonna focus on those two. First one, bull put spread on Tesla, a price of 680. You're selling, again, sell put 580 and buy put 575 for next week. And as long as Tesla stays above 580, okay, as long as Tesla stays above 580, you're gonna keep 180 bucks. What is the beauty of this? 1.8. You're making 180 bucks up front instead of this, instead of 80 bucks. That's crazy. You got an edge of 31%, 31.3. You should collect an income of $80, and instead, because Tesla is very volatile, implant volatility is high, if you're an option seller, you get to keep 180 bucks instead of 80. Also means that the option buyers are paying almost more than double than what they should pay Just an FYI if you're a Tesla option buyer, something to consider. But as long as Tesla stays above, by next Friday, stays above 580, you get to keep 180, basically. Your max risk, and your max loss, I should say, is if Tesla goes below 575, it's possible. Anything is possible. Tesla goes below 575, you are losing $320. For one contract, you can do 10. It's up to you. Your max loss is 320. So you're collecting $180 while risking at a max of 320. That's more than 50% ROI. Instead of collecting $80 while risking not 320, 420. So you're making more and you're risking less because you use this software, which is great. Let's look at something else which is insane. I'll show you the graph for this bull put spread for December 24, 2 weeks from now. I mean, if your risk tolerance is super low and you can do this trade instead of selling the 580 spread, sell the 490 spread, 100 points below. Tesla is at 610. You can sell for 2 weeks from now, get this, sell put 490, 490, and buy put 485. And you collect, look at this, $55 for every contract, and instead of $7. That's insane. You collect, again, $55 instead of $7 for every contract. Does it get any better than this? Win rate of 99%. All you have to do once you executed the trade, first you will have in your account extra $55 instead of $7. Your risk total is 445, meaning so you get $55 for every 445 bucks that you are risking. Basically, if you have, I don't know, $1,000 in your account, do two. Get $110 for 900, and that 900 bucks risk by 2 weeks from now will get released back into your Robinhood account, but that 110 bucks will be in your account now to maybe do another trade, and so on and so forth. That's just crazy stuff. And pick whatever that you want from here and other columns that I will show you. But your max loss, just for the example, is if Tesla goes below 485, which is what, 25% from here. That's crazy. Let me show you this. If you click here, you click on the report. Once I click report, you can see it a little bigger for every trade that you're considering. Tesla 610, bull put spread, that's the strategy, expiration December 24, 2 weeks from now. Sell 490 put, buy 485 put, credit of $55. And if you, there's a lot of options in here to just read. Tesla behavior, you see, outperform, technical uptrend, and so on. You can read whether if that you want to read. Click here, payout diagram. Look at this. If Tesla goes up all the way to 700, 800, doesn't matter, you're still gonna make $55. If Tesla goes down all the way down to this one, you're to like 490, which is insane, then you still make money. And only if it goes below 483.9, because you collected the prim up front, then you're gonna start losing $445. Look at this, guys. Everything is laid out for you. You don't have to, we don't have to think. I love this software. Maximum gain at expiration will realize if the stock price closes at 490 and above. 490, not 590, 490. Maximum gain is $55. 0.55 per one contract is $55 per one contract. Break even is 489.45, which is minus 19.7% away from today's spot price. Tesla needs to go down 20% in 2 weeks. Is it possible? With Tesla, anything is possible. We got 99% chance that it will not happen based on history. Maximum loss at expiration will occur when stock price is 485 and below. 485 and below, and the strategy will then lose $445. If you look at other stuff, you know, we got $55 credit instead of $7, a value or 99% win ratio. What else do you want? theoretical edge of 11%. You can read the takeaway, strategy outlook for Tesla, bullish, 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 one bearish, bullish, bullish, all that good stuff. You know, that's I use this software every day, all day long, and I won't say I swear by it, but it's like sliced bread. It's better than sliced bread. And this is just like one item. I gave you 2 trades. So just the AAPLE Tesla, you can take those trades on Monday if you want, not the financial advice. But yeah, look at this. I like to use this one, Seasonality, for example, which gives you all the stocks that are going up in December. And every month, all the stocks that going up in December, I like to change it by date. So for example, we got for December 18, which is next week, Nike. We got 2 trades, just for the example. Nike 137. This is debit spread. I don't like this. And this one credit. I like to get paid. You can sell Nike 137 put, buy 134 put, which is $300, but you collect upfront 115. So basically your max you collect 150 as long as Nike close above 137 by next week, which they already are at 137.4, after hours 137.5. That's it. You collect the maximum premium, $115, and you collect it up front, so you can take another trade the second that money lands in your Robinhood account. Other trade for December 18, again Tesla, we already saw that, and they're recommending 595, sell 595, buy the 590. We went over this, 72% win rate. It's great, win rate of 72. So basically they're saying that in December Tesla and Nike going up, and of course all of the rest, but those trades are for January. Let's say SPY. You can bet that the S&P 500 will go up. 366. That you sell 364, you buy 361. So $300 at risk, but not really, because this is 0.94. Let's say 1. So you're collecting $100 up front, give or take, while risking $200. And as long as the S&P 500 stays above 364 by next month, you collect $100 for one contract. Put 2,000 collateral, collect $1,000 in a month. What's wrong with that? Instead of $73, you collect 94, but theoretically it should be at 73. So this software, basically they find you all those imbalance and just lay it out there and refresh like every 5 minutes. Even though I click F5 to refresh and just find so many trades. Dow Jones again at 300. Let's take a last look again for January 8. Sell the 299, buy the 295, and as long as Dow Jones ETF closes above 299 by next month, you collect $105 instead of $90. And for this you get $100 for risking 300. And the S&P is $100 for risking 200. So I would take the other trade. There's Disney. There's the Disney trade. That's crazy. 170, 165. QQQ. Sell 301. Buy the 298. That's all crazy good. But this is for next month, for January. If you want for, let's say, JP Morgan for December 24. Price of 120 almost. 118.5. Let's take this one. You sell the 118, you buy the 115 put. That's $300 minus what you get here. Let's say 0.9. So you're getting $90 up front while risking $210 instead of $72. And as long as JP Morgan, which is already almost at the 120, as long as it stays above 118, you king. You king or queen, whatever the case is. It's up to you. If you want to join this program, I'm not trying to sell or be spammy. I love this software. I wouldn't promote stuff that I don't want to hurt my reputation. Feel free to check this software down below in the description. You get 7 days trial, and after that the price is $97 a month, and I would gladly pay. I would pay double that, to be honest with you. With all the trades that you got here, you also have so much stuff I haven't even started to show you. You got dividend, and you can do like capture dividend strategy. You can trade earnings around earnings. Tons of screeners, covered call, iron butterfly, iron condors, straddles, insane call spread, bull spread, tons of option stuff, top bullish, top bearish, and of course stocks, stock splits, new listing, what the IPOs, whatever. Seasonality is insane, just insane amount. Just to explore the software takes a month, and yeah, that's what I do. Link in the description, 7 days trial. Leave a comment if you like that, if you took the Apple trade or the Tesla trade. 99% chance to win with Tesla. You don't have to trade just weekly. 99%. Risk 4,500 if you have that, and collect $550 in 2 weeks. What's wrong with that? People put $20,000 down payment on a rent or $100,000 rental. They put $20K to collect $100 a month as the spread between the rent. You can put 5,000, 4,500 and collect $500 in 2 weeks on Tesla if Tesla doesn't go down 20%. And no rentals, no nonsense, no. I love real estate, don't get me wrong, but no headache of real estate. What's better? And you get paid up front. Like the second that you hit enter, you got $550 in your account. 99% chance to win. Take that 550, take another trade, take the Apple trade after that. That's leave a comment below. If I bring you guys any value, click the plus to subscribe to my channel, bell notification, all get good stuff, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Yeah.